Alright, in this video we're going to take a look at the hillshade. So let's go to the hillshade. There you go, hillshade input raster. Our input raster is going to be this one in 23. Okay, then we have it here. Just click on OK. Alright, here we go. We have the hillshade here. Okay, there you go. Actually, let's do it again for this one. Okay, let's go to hillshade. I just missed a point that I wanted to mention. Okay, here we go. This is the file I want to apply hillshade to. Now azimuth, let's change our azimuth to, let's say, 86.48, and it is going to be 45. Now click on OK. Now I changed the azimuth for a better hillshade. So azimuth has to do something with the sun's position, the sun rising position, and the hillshade is connected directly to the sun. So the hillshade is basically the shade of hills or the hilly areas or the high elevation areas when the sun is going to rise. So you need to know the azimuth of the place you want the hillshade of. So you just need to do a search on Google to see the azimuth value of that particular place. So here we have the hillshade file that is showing us the hillshade value. As you can see, there are dark places and the white places as well, which are showing us the hillshade elevations. So let's go to properties of this hillshade. And let's go to symbology. From stretched, we're going to go to classified. We're going to classify 5 classes, and then let's give our rainbow color. There you go. Change the white color. I really hate the white color. Alright, let's change it manually from there. There you go. Now I'm going to change the white color with, let's say, we don't have the pink color here, right? So let's give the pinkish color. There you go. I have changed that color with the hillshade level. Actually, hillshade doesn't look better like this. Hillshade is better with the stretched value. There you go. From 180 to 0. We can change the color ramp for the stretched value. Let's go apply. And okay, there you go. So this was the hillshade, and this was the last topic on this section. Now I know the section may not be good audio quality wise, so a few videos may have corrupted audios. I don't know how that happened, so I'll try to make up for that, and I'm going to redo the entire thing at some point, and then I'm going to upload it on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see it and learn from there, you can go and check it out. Check out the videos so that there won't be any problems. But I think the rest of the course has pretty decent audio quality. In this section, I don't know how my files got corrupted, and I don't think if I make them again, they're not going to contain the information I relayed there. The information is going to be less than that. I tried several times to remake those, and I have seen that I haven't made those better the way I made it in the first time. Okay, so I hope you bear with it, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, and I hope you got to learn something from this course. And please practice more and more so that your knowledge may increase. The things you have received from this course are pretty intermediate, and if you keep on practicing on these things that I have shown you, you'll get better and better, and you'll see that you are learning without any help. You'll even learn newer and newer things. You just need to play with the software. As much you play with the software, the more you are going to know without anyone's help. At some things you need help from others, that's why you are in this course. But after receiving that help, when you play with the software more and more, you'll see you get to know more and more things about the software, and you will see more and more application from the software as well. So I hope this course was helpful for you and very pleasant. for you, and if you got to learn something from this course, then that would be my achievement. So thank you very much for staying with me and completing the course, and congratulations on your completion. Thank you very much. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.